Let's make some honey walnut shrimp. To start, I'm gonna put some butter into my pot, about a tablespoon, half a cup of sugar, and a half a cup of water. I think I want to add more sugar. I'm gonna do more sugar. No measurements, just eyeballs. Throw some of the walnuts in. And then I'm gonna cut the heat. I'll let it soak up for a couple of minutes. I'm gonna take them out and set them over on the parchment paper so that they can air out and dry. You wanna make sure that they're not touching each other so that they don't get stuck. Here's the walnuts, set them over to the side. For the shrimp, we're gonna season with some salt, some pepper, a little bit of baking soda so that way when you take a bite into it, it's a little crisp. Massage this real quick into my shrimp. I've already peeled, deveined, and washed and pat dry as best as I can. Now I'm gonna crack in some egg whites. Let that marinate for at least 10 minutes. Set it over to the side. For the sauce, we have some Kewpie mayo, some condensed milk, a little bit of honey. Oh my God. A little lime. That's good as fuck. Now that the shrimp has been marinating in the egg whites, we're gonna put some cornstarch. I did about 4 tablespoons of the cornstarch. This is what they look like. Here is what the shrimp looks like. We're gonna go ahead and double fry it to get that extra crisp. I have some green onion. Walnuts. Green onion. Look at that. First bite. Fire.